Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with Beauty Bigbang's new plate. This is Characters XL-002, and it's got like a whole bunch of sexy type images on here. So we got the girl on the pole and bite me, some lips, some ladies with some like shapes in between. Love the eye with the teardrop. The legs and the heart. So it's something different. I actually kind of think this is like a really cool plate. I was waiting for this plate to come out because I do have the other character plates. So I did some swatches of acrylic the other day. I had just posted not that long ago, about a couple hours ago actually. I just posted that. I probably won't download this one till tomorrow, but I'm just gonna use the tips from the acrylic I did swatches on. So these are just colored acrylic from the Models 1. And if you haven't seen that video, it's most likely right before this video. I will post it at the end so you could see it if you want. And let me just get this blue film off. I'm just going to do a mani, and then I'll do the swatches that of the images I didn't do on the mani. And yeah, then I will be back afterwards to talk about the plate. And that's it. So I just cleaned it off in case there was any sticky layer because of the blue film. I'm just going to get my, which is right here, my Beauty Bigbang stamper, and my, let's see, where is it? My Z-Joy black stamping polish. And yeah, let me just get started, and I will be back when I am all done.
been sitting eyes wide open behind these four walls, hoping you call. It's just a cruel existence, like there's no point hoping at all. Baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night, and every day. Give me something, but you say nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain. I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. Come back. Come back. Baby, baby, I feel crazy. Come back. Baby, baby, I feel crazy. I'm sitting eyes wide open and I got one thing stuck in my mind. Wondering if I dodged a bullet or just lost the love of my life. Oh, baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night, and every day. I gave you something, but you gave me nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain. I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. Come back. Come back. Baby, baby, I feel crazy. Come back. Baby, baby, I feel crazy. I've been looking sad in all the nicest places. I see you around in all these empty faces. I've been looking sad in all the nicest places. Now I'm in a cab, I tell them where your place is. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever.
Okay, so I'm back, and here is the plate all clean. I think I got all of the images. I don't know, did I get that one? Well, I believe I swatched all of them. I may not have got that one. I don't remember getting that one, but I might have. But here is what I did get. Actually, oh no, that's a different one. So here's the mani I got out of it. Some of my black smear there, but it kind of looks like it's the shadow a little bit. And love this one. I kind of like the word ones. I do like, this is the ones I really liked, the pole ones, and like the bite me with the lips. But here's the mani I got out of it. Now this wasn't my favorite plate, honestly. A lot of the images were kind of hard to pick up. This one wasn't picking it up so well. And then a lot of them, when I picked it up, like, I had to fill some of it in. This one picked up pretty good. This one picked up okay. But, like, see how there's, like, a missing piece. Oop, missing piece right there. And, like, it didn't get the lines. Kind of like the frame around them. It was missing. Because usually when you have lines like that, you have to go scrape the way of the lines, but then there's lines going down too. This was a cute image. But yeah, even with like, it's very spotty. This was like very spotty. And I tried using I used 3 different stampers. I used this one, which this is a different stamper head in here. A holographic one came with this. I believe this is a LANTERNAND sticky stamper head. It's either that or a GP stamping head, but I think it's the LANTERNAND one. But the girls on the poll, they picked up pretty well. Here was the heart with the legs, and I actually had to fill this piece of the foot in because it didn't come up. I ended up stamping that one again. So let me see here. This one picked up all right. I didn't have to like alter this one at all. So that one picked up okay. This one, you can kind of see actually where I filled it in right there, which it doesn't matter because once you top coat it you can't tell. But this one I did have to alter a little bit, not too much. Then there was this one. The XL-002 didn't come up super well. And the image was a little spotty. This image came out really nicely. That's a really cool one. I like that one. And I believe there was one other one. Let me see. Oh, okay. There was the 2 I was going to say. So those were the 2 I did. And when I did it on this one, the foot came up. But on this one, I had to draw it in. So, I do recommend the plate. It's really cute. It's cool. It's a different plate. It's not a plate that, you know, you see a lot of. I am a fan of Beauty Bigbang plates. But this one just seemed like it was a little, like I said, spotty. And it didn't pick up as great as I hoped. So that's just my opinion on the plate. Maybe I'll have to mess with it a little bit more, but yeah. And not my favorite nail mani here, but it would do. Maybe if you have like a bachelorette party, or if you're going to Vegas or something, do like card nails on one hand, and then because there's a lot of showgirls in Vegas. But yeah, that's just my tutorial for this plate. So this is the Beauty Bigbang Characters XL-002. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe and like, and I hope to see you guys back real soon. Stay safe, take care, and have a beautiful, blessed rest of your day. Bye.